Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply or add different tax rate on product for different states in United States in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page. So we are going to add different tax product rate for different states for USA. Now go to setting. So we are in Wix dashboard and then you see tax. So click on it. So we are in tax section and then you see manage how your business collect tax and then you see tax location. So we are going to apply different tax on product for different states. Now you see location. So we are going to add location. So click on it. Now you see add a location country. Now select United States. Now select and then you see states. Drop down. Now again click on it. If you want you can select all, but we are going to apply different tax for product for different states. Now select Alaska, Arizona and then click on add. Now you see we select two United States, Arizona, United States, Alaska, and then you see tax rate. So click on it. Now you see tax rate, product, services, cancellation fee, shipping and delivery. Also you see advanced mode, so click on it. So if you want you can add tax. Now you see. So for this state we are going to apply 5% for product, remaining 0, and then click on save. And then you see Arizona, United States was saved. Tax rate 5% on all product for these states. And then you see Alaska. So click on it. So for Alaska we added 10%. Now you see rate. So click on save. Now you see save. So we are going to add one more. So click on add location, United States. Click on it. Now select state. So we select Louisiana. Now select and then click on add again. For this state we are going to apply rate percentage and tax 50% and then click on save. So after that we are going to check it. Now you see setting saved. So we are in card page. Now you see IP info and then you see region state Louisiana. Now go to card page again. So we added this product. Now you see subtotal $20 and then you see tax 10% for this state because we select this state Louisiana. Now you see 10% tax and product price is $20, total $30. So you can set different tax rate for different United States. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.